All right, so recently there have been a lot of news flying around about paper coming back to Nigeria. Now, if you look at this news up here, you will see here it says paper coming back to Nigeria. And if you also look at this one right here, you will also see where it also says the same thing. And I've seen a lot of videos online about Nigerians saying boycott paper, about a lot of people angry with paper because of what has happened in the past. Now, I am also a victim of what happened in the past because I remember back then with my freelance journey when I started around 2012. Yeah, I started my freelance journey in 2012. I knew I lost a lot of money because of paper. My friends, we all lost a lot of money because of paper. But let's come to think of it this way. You see, in business, you have to think strategically. Do we really need paper right now? The answer is still yes. We still need paper. And I will tell you why I said we still need paper, even though it took them this long to come to Nigeria. I know a lot of people have moved on, and people are saying boycott paper and move on, boycott paper and move on. But like I told you, in business, you don't take any kind of action hastily. You need to think things through before you take action. Why did I say so? Because in business, there are no permanent friends, there are no permanent enemy. All you just need to do is to think things through and ask yourself, will I make money from this? As long as it will help you to make money, it doesn't really matter who is behind the scene, right? All you just need to do is to make sure that you do what you need to do and make your money, right? So that is what you need to do. You don't need to know who is behind the scene. Now, paper is coming back to Nigeria right now. If you look at it, a lot of Nigerians still need paper. Even me, I still need paper because there are still lots of people, there are still lots of platforms that will not accept all the other words that we are trying to be using, right? There are still a lot of platforms that will not be asked, that have not accepted all of these other payment platforms. For instance, let's look at Fiverr. Fiverr is still not accepting any other platform payment method apart from Payoneer and Paper. And Paper is a renowned worldwide payment system. If you look at those people who are into survey, lots of people are making money from survey because paper has enabled it. So all in all, you could see that as in Nigeria, we still need paper. You get, because if you go to so many platforms, in survey, people that do survey, you will see that most of those platforms still require you to use paper. If you go to freelance platform, most of those platforms still require you to use paper. So at the end of the day, you're still stuck with, okay, I don't still have it an option. You don't still have an option than to say, okay, let's go with paper. So in as much as for me myself, I am not happy with what they did because they labeled us fraudulent people at a point. They say we can only send money, we cannot receive money. Who does that? Now they labeled us fraudulent people. I can actually tell you the logic why all of these things are happening. It's happening because a lot of people right now have left paper, they have moved on. Nigeria will know how to adapt to situation, will know how to invent, will know how to break through grounds. And if you look at the world currently, you discover that Nigeria is the sixth most populous country in the world and is the most populous black country in the world. So there is a lot of money right here in Nigeria, right? So there's a lot of money right here in Nigeria, and a lot of people have moved on for losing paper. And people have seen that, oh, that means of trying to block Nigerians after they've made their money, you block them out of the money and take the money from them. It's no longer making sense for them. They're no longer making anything from it because I see that that's one of the ways they are making money from Nigeria because millions of Nigerians kept losing their money every day to paper because they could not reclaim it because they are from Nigeria. It happened to me. I lost a lot of money. It happened to my friend. My friends lost a lot of money. I remember one of my guy who lost $10,000 after making it for a period of 6 months. He could not withdraw the money and the money was gone. So all of these things, if you look at it, it really does not make sense. It really does not make sense. But still, all in all, we still need the platform because it is the most renowned platform when it comes to payment gateway online. We still need it. If you go to dropshipping business right now, if you're doing let's say what is it called right now? Um if you're doing dropshipping using WooCommerce, you will still see that paper is one of the payment method right there. Paper is one of the payment method right there. So we still need it. If you go to most freelance platform, like Go.com, there are other ones out there. If you look at them, most of them still require you to use paper. The only one that you can say you may not really need paper is Fiverr and Upwork. I use Upwork and I don't use paper. I just withdraw straight from my Upwork account to my Nigeria account. I also use Fiverr and I don't use paper. I just use my Payoneer to withdraw my money. You understand? I use Amazon. I don't use paper. I withdraw straight to my Payoneer. But however, in all of these things, we still need paper. So as a business person, I know that what they did is wrong. They actually made a lot of people lose money. If not for paper, I know where I would have been by now. Yes, if not for paper, I know where I would have been by now. I would have been in lots of millions. But because paper blocked every ways of me making money, they even took this little one I made, it it gave me a lot of setback. But in as much as that happened, I still have to move on. So now that they are coming back to Nigeria, we need to think things through. Just think things through yourself. Ask yourself, should this business I am doing, do I need the paper to make my money? If you need paper to make your money, go ahead and use them and make your money. What you're looking for is to make the money. Forget who is in the background. Forget who is behind the scene. Just make the money. You get? Make the money and move on. But if you don't need them to make your money, then live there. Go ahead. You get? So I have come to understand that in business, you don't make money because it's your friend that is doing business with you. If it's your enemy that is even having the business opportunity, I want to invest in it and make money. As long as you're making money, go ahead and do it and make your money. But you have to be strategic, especially if it's your enemy. So you have to be strategic, right? Especially if it's your enemy. So that is what I have to say about this matter. That I've been hearing a lot of people talking about it. Someone even asked me, Coach, seeing this paper thing, what do you think about it? So this is my honest opinion about the paper issue. Just think things through. Weigh the options. I know that a lot of people who are into survey right now will be happy about it because right now they will not need to buy UK number, they will not need to buy UK ID card, they will not need to do all of those things. I remember a friend of mine who is into survey, he pays about over 50,000 naira to get phone number, to get ID card so that he could do survey and get paper. But right now, with the way things are going, you may not need all of those things again to do your business with paper. So this is my honest opinion, or this is my own stand on this paper issue. But let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any other opinion contrary to this, just drop it in the comment section and I'll be waiting for your comment. And I also hope that you subscribe to this channel. This is Blockchain Plus. Everything we do about in this place is to make successful in the online space, especially in the blockchain space and Web3 space. All right, that is it for me in this particular video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.